Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Crystal Oracle reading. This is Amazonite. Then we have some beautiful Chalcopyrite, black Tourmaline with a little bit of mica, and some green aventurine. And this is on the Sacred Solar System's Geometry Selenite Charging Disc. Amazonite, throat chakra. What are you not speaking, or how are you not speaking your truth to yourself? Meaning, are you telling yourself stories that you think you should be saying, telling, agreeing, not speaking what you need to say to really honor yourself? And granted, sometimes speaking out loud and saying things to people isn't in your best interest. And so find a way to clear your throat chakra, because you don't want to be eating all of that energy, those words, because it will get stuffed and block your throat chakra. All right, so Chalcopyrite, one of the master chakra cleansing, clearing, and aligning stones. It's also known as Peacock Ore. Look at those gorgeous colors. Remember to clear your chakras regularly, at least once a week. Every day is preferable, and I get to remind myself about that as well. Black Tourmaline absorbs negative energy, sets up a protection against psychic attack. Psychic attack is someone, whether you know them or not, is sending bad juju through negative thoughts, envy, jealousy, anger, hatred, who knows, for whatever, okay? Judgment. And then we have some beautiful green calcite from Mexico. Abundance, prosperity, wealth expansion. What are you saying to yourself, or what beliefs, thoughts, experiences from the past are coming up that are blocking or delaying the abundance that you seek, you have requested, and you have been working on manifesting, whether it is sales commissions or new clients, a new job, your right and perfect position for you? What is blocking? So clear your throat chakra. Amazonite's also good for helping you to manifest and cut negative energy cords. Clear your chakras. Allow your shields, your guides, and black tourmaline to block, repel, deflect negativity from you and absorb negativity from within you. Allow your current situation to be representative of the past, and allow what's waiting to come in for you to show up in the way that it is in your best interest, for your highest and best good, and it may be in a way that you have not yet imagined yet. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.